Join Glow ASMR Lab.
Today, we begin a skin journey that will truly shock you. Look closely at this face. Open pores and visible damage are clearly exposed. Zoom in carefully. This is not just skin. This is a map of damage. Every pore tells a story most people choose to ignore. From the side angle, the truth becomes clearer. Redness and uneven texture show the stage where most people give up. Now the ritual begins, a liquid that looks simple, but its effect is dangerously powerful beyond expectations. Now we use the tape method. It may look simple, but it exposes the hidden truth deep inside your pores instantly. Watch closely. When the tape is removed, the real truth appears. This moment is not easy for everyone to handle. What you see here was hidden inside the skin, and this is the reason your natural glow never truly comes out. The second peel goes deeper. This layer is rarely cleaned, and this is where real transformation begins. Now the skin is shocked with a cold mist, forcing the pores to react instantly and reset their condition. Rice water may look simple, but in Bangladesh it is treated as a secret. It repairs the skin from within. As the mist touches the skin, every cell activates and the damage slowly begins to come under control. Notice the redness fading already. This is only the beginning. The real transformation is still ahead. Now comes the most powerful step, the liquid glass serum known only by a few who understand perfect timing. Each drop is applied carefully because using this serum the wrong way will not give the desired result. This wet tapping technique is not just sound, it pushes the serum deeper into the skin layers effectively. Observe the light carefully. The reflection is changing, meaning the serum has started working deeply. Day 1 result is subtle but real. The skin feels smoother and the texture is already coming under control. A slight glow is visible, but this is not surface level. It is a deeper change building from within. Close inspection is happening because every small improvement guides the next step in this process. This is only the beginning. If you reached here, you are already ahead of most people watching. By day 3, the skin looks calmer. Redness and irritation have reduced significantly compared to before. Zoom closely. Pores are not as open as before. The structure is slowly tightening naturally. Hydration is clearly increasing. The skin is developing a softness that was missing earlier. Serum is applied again, ensuring the process continues and results become more stable. By day 5, the tone looks more even. Dark spots are slowly beginning to fade away. Light reflection is slightly stronger, meaning the surface is becoming smoother and glow is building. Face rotation shows improvement. Uneven texture is reducing and balance is returning to the skin. Mist is applied again, maintaining hydration and keeping pores tight and controlled. By day 7, the glow is clearly visible. The skin no longer looks dull but fresh and alive. Macro view shows a clear difference. Pores have shrunk significantly and appear much cleaner. Hydration is at a higher level, dryness is nearly gone, and softness is increasing steadily. Light begins to bounce softly, an early sign of developing glass skin effect. By day 10, the cheeks are smoother, pores are minimal, and the texture is highly refined. Light now reflects clearly. The surface is smooth enough to create a visible shine. Assistants appear confident as the results are now becoming stable and consistent. Serum is reapplied, locking in hydration and enhancing long-lasting glow. By day 15, major transformation is visible. The skin looks clear and luminous. Reflection now feels like soft glass. What seemed impossible is now becoming real. Close-up shows almost no blackheads. The skin appears clean and extremely smooth. This stage is the turning point where final glow begins to fully develop. By day 20, the skin looks nearly flawless. Imperfections are barely noticeable now.
You can achieve this too.
Strong light reflection indicates a fully smooth surface has been achieved. Gentle tapping creates a polishing effect, enhancing the shine even further. Cinematic rotation shows glow from every angle with perfect consistency. By day 25, a mirror-like shine develops. The skin reflects light clearly. Macro texture appears perfectly smooth. No unevenness is visible anymore. Light bounce is strong, a clear sign of true glass skin formation. Final serum touch is applied, preparing the skin for the ultimate result. Day 30, final result. The skin is completely smooth and reflective like glass. Extreme macro shows a flawless surface. Pores are almost invisible now. Light reflects like crystal, showing the highest level of glow achieved. Slow motion turn reveals perfect shine from every angle. The transformation is complete. This result has no makeup.
Real result.
What you see is the real effect of the full process. Assistants step back, allowing the final reveal to be fully visible and clear. Close-up shows confidence. The skin looks healthy and naturally radiant.
I know I can handle it.
30-day transformation is complete. What seemed impossible is now real. Warning, do not wash your face for the next 6 hours, or this glow may fade temporarily. Share this video with someone who truly needs this transformation in their life. Comment GLOW to receive the secret homemade serum formula instantly. Subscribe to Glow ASMR Lab and prepare for the next powerful hidden ritual.